As you get older, several changes can occur with your body hair due to a combination of genetics, hormones, and aging processes. Here's a breakdown of what typically happens. Hair thinning and loss. On the scalp. Many people experience hair thinning or loss, especially on the scalp. This is often linked to a decline in the production of hair follicles or a shorter growth phase for individual hairs. For men, this is commonly referred to as male pattern baldness, while women might experience diffuse thinning. Body hair. While scalp hair may thin, body hair, like on your arms, legs, and chest, often becomes finer and sparser. This is due to hormonal changes, especially a drop in testosterone in men and a decrease in estrogen in women during menopause. Change in hair texture. As you age, your hair can become coarser or more brittle, whether on your head or body. This happens because the production of natural oils slows down, making hair less moisturized. As melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color, production decreases, your hair starts to turn gray or white. This can happen gradually and may affect both scalp and body hair, though it's most noticeable on your head first. In general, as you age, hair growth can slow. Your hair may not grow as fast as it did in your younger years, and the hair that does grow may be weaker or less dense. For men, facial hair, like beards and mustaches, may become patchier or grayer with age. Some men also experience changes in the density or growth patterns of facial hair. For women, the onset of menopause often leads to an increase in facial hair due to hormonal shifts that result in more noticeable fine hairs on the chin or upper lip. Both men and women may experience an increase in hair in areas where it wasn't as prominent before, like the ears, nose, or even the upper lip. This is due to the changing levels of androgens or male hormones that can affect hair growth. Overall, aging affects hair in different ways for everyone, but the common theme is thinning, graying, and slower growth. However, lifestyle factors like diet, stress, and overall health can also influence these changes.